Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2019 Jeep Cherokee Latitude in bright white. With automatic headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, remote start system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 31,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, SELEC-TERRAIN system, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5371B.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.